Internet time sync not working on Windows 10 or 11 fix. So if your time is not working based on the internet, you're also connected to Wi-Fi, but your Wi-Fi or internet is not pulling the correct time from a correct time zone, right? A simple way to fix it is very simple. First, hover your mouse over the time from the bottom right and just right click on it. So remember, right click and not left click. Right click and you'll find this option that says adjust date and time. So you want to go to adjust date and time. Now, when you come here, you can see it says set time automatically. So even if you have turned on automatic time, it might not give you correct time. That is because you have not set your time zone automatically. So you also want to turn on to set your time zone automatically, which will go ahead and then give you the accurate results based on where you are, because your time zone could have been set to anywhere and you might have just turned on set time automatically. So in that case, you want to turn on your time zone as well as time too. So when both of these are enabled, now if you're connected to a proper Wi-Fi, your date or your time will also be correct. So I hope this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.